Hi all, this is Ram. I'm going to talk to you about how to set up effort on your mobile devices. It's very simple and easy, and it's just going to take few minutes for us to get the whole thing set up. Now, first and foremost, you got to open your browser, type www.spoors.in. The Spoors.in page is going to take you to a location where it's going to give you a lot of information about Spoors and the features that it has and what else can be done. Now, after you get in there, if you already have an existing login, you could sign in directly. If you don't have it, go here and start a free trial. The start a free trial is absolutely free. You don't need to give your credit card or anything to get started. Now what I would do is go type in my first name. I'm going to type in my last name. I'm going to type in the mobile number that I wanted to be getting active with effort. My number is 95955380907. I'm going to give you an email ID that is not being already entered in effort. So make sure that you've never used this email ID before. Let me use my email ID called ramachin@insys.com, and the company name is AYANSYS. I'm going to start with 5 free trial. There's no limitation for it, and if you like the product and you've seen it before, you can directly go remove the free trial here and just click on sign up. It's going to take to your credit card process, and you would be able to pay immediately. Now what I'm going to do is not pay through my credit card, and I'm going to just do a sign up. Now when I do a sign up, it shows that my email ID is already in use. Let me not use this email ID. spoors.in@gmail.com. Okay, there you go. So I am going to get a message saying successfully signed, check your email. So there you go. I probably have received an SMS alert on my mobile. So there's two ways that you would get um, um, the information. One, you would get an SMS on your mobile, and this is only specific for India right now. And you would get an email with the user ID and password that you should be using. So let me go check my SMS and opening my mobile app. Let's see if I have got any messages. Yes, there are a couple of messages that I've got here. There's going to be something called DM-Spoors or anything to do with Spoors. Let me see what messages I've got. I've actually got two messages here. One message is for downloading effort. The other message is for signing in to effort. So my username and password is spoorsin@gmail.com, and there's a password that's here. So let me first go before I do sign up. I'm gonna go download the app first. I'm gonna open it in the web browser, and you would see the sign. Okay, so you're gonna get to a page called effort page with two options. One for downloading from Google Play and another downloading directly from Spoors. If you do not have a Google Play user ID and password, you can directly download from our web page by clicking on download directly from Spoors. Now I do have a Google Play, so I'm gonna go click on sorry, I'm not gonna go. There you go. So we see the page, install page. Let me click on install. Now this is going to take me to the install page and show you all the details and the information that this is going to use. I'm going to say accept, and the installation begins. Now once the install begins, you would see an icon showing the downloads in progress to your top left corner of okay, you see that effort installation is almost complete. Once the install gets complete, it automatically gets installed, and you would get an alert saying that the installation is complete. Now while the installation is going through, let's go back to our screen, and again you can go to effort, do a sign in directly. You would have received an email and user ID and password, either in your SMS or through an email that you've already given. So let me give my email ID to enter into effort with the password that I've already got in my SMS, which is here. Let me go back. Okay, so after logging in, you would actually go to the main screen with all the details. Before you can really get your mobile tracking and starting effort, you have to register your mobile to effort through couple of means. Now the first thing you would do is, once the installation process is complete, find the effort icon on your screen on the mobile and click on Effort Express. And when you click on Effort Express, it's going to ask you to allow location to be used. Say allow. This would help get your field employees, track them at all times. Now once that is over, there's two ways of registering your employee, either by sending an SMS with the number, and all you have to say is do a send. This will help you send an easy activation without really doing any other activation. Now I don't want to send an SMS, and if I'm an international customer, this might not work. So what I would want to do is do a don't send, go to the settings and find effort ID. Now find effort ID. If you scroll below, you would see something called an effort ID. Effort ID is the unique ID that the device and the cloud is going to interact with each other. So pick the number that's the effort ID that's available here. It's 3588-700-5062-9702. Go to our web panel that is already been opened. After you log in, click on configure. You would see employees here. Click on employees. You would see all the employees who is already been registered and not been activated. So let me go and make sure that this employee Ramakrishna gets activated. All I have to do is open this employee in edit mode and enter the effort ID down below. Now I've just read the effort ID. Let me enter or type in my effort ID in this box. It's going to be 3588-700-5062-9702, and that's it. I'm gonna do a save. This is gonna go back to the employee page, and now let's go back to the main page. So let me go back to the main page, home screen, and simply do a sync. Oh, the moment you see a sync successful icon, your last sync date's going to be updated to the current time and date. Now you could also verify if the customer is successfully connected with the cloud by just doing a refresh on the screen, and you would actually see a green button showing the current status of the employee. Now this shows that the employee is already been activated and is now being tracked by the cloud. You can click on the home screen and you would also get the last known location of the employee. Right now I've done this work from this place, and that simple it is. It's very simple. It takes just few minutes to get the whole setup done. Thank you.